Some say 2017 nearly 15 million people are going to be without water.
Water is becoming more and more scarce. Stark warnings of disastrous consequences are repeatedly issued. Just what is the scale of the water shortage issue worldwide, and what can be done about it? This is Inside Story.
We're drinking the same water as the dinosaurs did, so how can we have a crisis? And the answer to that is that we are using water in an unsustainable way.
They say the next great war will not be fought over oil, over money, not even over human rights.
Water consumption is a serious problem because as the world gets increasingly crowded, we're also getting increasingly thirsty. 1.1 billion people don't have access to sufficient water. The problem is getting worse. Water use growing at twice the rate of the world's population. The problem is particularly pronounced in Asia, where 60% of the world's population possess just 36% of the world's fresh water, whereas Europe has 8% of the world's population and 13% of the world's fresh water.
2 buckets of safe water a day is the minimum a child needs to live. 4,000 children die every day because they don't even have that. In sub-Saharan Africa, 43% of children drink unsafe water, and 1 in 5 dies before their 5th birthday.
More mouths, less water.
Now the temperatures are rising. Villagers in India's northern Uttar Pradesh state are facing a severe scarcity of drinking water.
People have to use 100-foot-long rope to bring water from the well. We're in trouble as there is a lack of drinking water. We have to get drinking water from nearly 2 miles away.
Researchers and scientists started to investigate and find new inventions for wastewater issue since 18th century. For this emerging issue, they invented more than 200 technologies such as aeration ponds, effluent sludge banker, rotating bioreactors, membrane bioreactors, etc. Unfortunately, most of these treatment technologies did not meet clients' requirement and satisfaction. Because of those treatment technologies consume large amount of power, sludge, space while producing cancer-causing polluted gases such as methane, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, etc. In the year 1999, nerd research engineer Atula Jayamana invented latest wastewater treatment technology called effluent floating filter technology after conducting research works of 4 years. While this technology is achieving the standards of Central Environmental Authority, it best fits with the current trend of green consent. Eco Engineers & Co. has received their patent rights in 1999. Let's compare advantages and disadvantages of technology and other conventional treatment technologies. Advantages of technology. First advantage, zero power consumption. That means it doesn't need any power for operation of treatment plant. Second advantage, zero sludge generation. That means plant does not require any sludge pumps and transportation requirement for sludge discharge. Third advantage, zero chemicals. It does not require any chemicals that helps to deposit the suspended solid of raw effluent. Fourth advantage, zero maintenance. That means there's no expenses on maintenance since after-treatment technology does not require any aeration machines, sludge pumps, chemicals and maintenance staff for look after the system. Fifth advantage, free biogas generation. Some amount of biogas production can be obtained from the operation of system, providing a part of process and the thermal heat requirement of the staff kitchen in hotels, factories, distilleries, etc. UF helps to destroy all types of viruses, bacteria, pathogens, protozoa, helminths, and all other waterborne diseases since its anaerobic conditions. And anaerobic digesters of our system helps to trap cancer-causing deadly gases such as hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, ammonia, methane, etc. Seventh advantage, underground installation. You can fully install this wastewater treatment plant as an underground installation. Underground installation saves more space of hotels or factories' premises. Let's compare disadvantages of conventional wastewater treatment technologies, including MVR, SBR, RBS, and UASB. First disadvantage. According to the collected data, in 2009, 40 cubic meter conventional wastewater treatment plant consumed over $700 for power consumption per month. Second disadvantage. These treatment technologies required sludge pumps to discharge the sludge from the treatment plant, and also it requires more power to operate and more expenses for maintenance. Third disadvantage. Some of these treatment technologies required chemicals to treat effluent of wastewater treatment plants. In other words, you need more expenditures to buy chemicals. Fourth disadvantage. Furthermore, these treatment technologies don't produce biogas, and it helps to the growth of all kind of pathogens, bacteria, and also it helps to the growth of cancer-causing, highly polluted, deadly gases such as hydrogen sulfide, methane, nitrogen, etc. There is only one advantage of conventional wastewater treatment system compared to the technology, which is underground installation. But it produces a lot of sound since aerators are working all the time. Due to the benefits of this technology that are mentioned, Eco-Engineers and Co. has successfully implemented more than 100 wastewater treatment plants in Sri Lanka. We have successfully implemented in different industries such as hotels, distilleries, breweries, rice mills, desiccated coconut mills, dairy product factories, garment factories, banks, slaughterhouses, piggeries, rubber factories, shopping complexes, housing complexes, palm oil factories, coconut oil factories, car assembling factories, bakeries, confectionery industries, and service stations. In 2010, Eco-Engineers and Co. was invited by the chairman of Karnataka Pollution Board, Bangalore, India. We were awarded as one of the best wastewater treatment technology companies in South Asia. After that, they have awarded 2 major projects for the largest desiccated coconut mills in India. Eco-Engineers and Co. were the first Sri Lankan wastewater treatment company that export this patented technology to India. There are over 40 wastewater treatment companies registered with Central Environmental Authority Sri Lanka. Some of the wastewater treatment companies have long history of over 30 years, but Eco-Engineers and Co. is the only company that has won 2 consecutive national awards and presidential awards, including several other international awards. Now let's listen to the customer satisfaction of industrialists and hoteliers.
We had a problem of wastewater which was highly polluted. As a result, we were not able to release such wastewater to the environment. As such, we consulted engineer Mr. Atula Jayamana from Eco-Engineers, Nigambo. Thereafter, he designed and completed the project within the time period what was given to us. At present, we have experienced that it is quite efficient and even producing biogas as a supplementary fuel for the boiler. We have obtained the environmental protection license even for the period of 1 year without any limitation. Since the completion of this project in 2007 and right up to now, the system is working very well and we are quite satisfied.
I am the consultant engineer for EV Resort and Spa. We had a problem with our sewage treatment plant, which was installed in 1985, which was not meeting the required limits stipulated by the Environment Authority. So we consulted Mr. Atula Jayamanna, who in fact came with the idea of putting up a new plant. The most advantage we had with his plant was that we could do that plant while the hotel was in operation. With others, everybody wanted to close the hotel and put up this plant. Also, his plant was a biological plant which is eco-friendly and no sludge, no aeration. Due to those reasons, the electricity consumption was almost zero, other than the feeding to the plant. And it produced biogas which we used for our staff cafeteria for cooking purpose. That was the advantage to us. Then the most important factor was this plant. After we installed this plant, we found that treated effluent which is going out of the plant was very much lower than the stipulated limits given by the Central Environment Authority. What I mean was the BOD and COD levels were very much lower than what was stipulated by the Central Environment Authority. So we could recommend this plant for everybody who need a similar plant, and he can produce at any capacity by increasing the number of digesters.
I'm the managing director of Hotel Clario in Sri Lanka. We had a wastewater treatment plant which was not functioning properly. We had a typical wastewater treatment plant, and the main problem had been it was consuming too much electricity. That is one. And the other thing is we had a lot of sludge build-up, and we wanted a proper solution for the system, and there was a lot of foul smell with the environmental pollution as well. So with the consultation of the Central Environmental Authority, we were directed to Mr. Atula Jayamanna to propose an efficient system for our wastewater treatment, and he after his proposal we went for a gas for wastewater treatment plant, where the sludge buildup was very minimal, as well as the electricity consumption was zero. Only just the pumping of the water, the water into the system was the main factor. Other than that, it consumed zero electricity, and with this initiative we can promote the hotel as a green hotel, and it gave us a competitive advantage as well. And even the water that was disposed after the treatment was in compliance with the Central Environmental Authority's standard.
Garden at Sea. Hotel Eden Garden is a well-established hotel under the Sri Lanka Tourist Board Authority. We have found a hotel on 1994. Since from 1994, we are increasing our facilities and our services. By increasing our facilities and services, we have faced so many problems to reach there. Mainly, wastewater was the main problem for us. After discussing with the directors, we called project proposals from reputed wastewater treatment companies in Sri Lanka. Finally, we selected Mr. Athula Jayamana's proposal, who is Chief Engineer and Chairman of Eco Engineers and Co in Negombo. Since that is the only wastewater treatment company that offers zero electricity, minimum maintained cost, no sludge and zero chemicals. Wastewater treatment plant was implemented on 2008. It is running successfully since from 2008 up to now without any issues. While final effluent meets treated wastewater stands of central government authority, in addition to that we are using biogas from treatment plant, which is help to minimize our cost of cooking. Recently we built canwell banquets in Negombo, which is catered to 450 to 500 people, and our director choose again Mr. Athula Jayamana proposal to implement wastewater treatment plant for that because of his excellent services and quality product. Thank you.
The main objective of Eco Engineers and Co is implementing suitable wastewater treatment systems to municipal and industrial clients while protecting the water bodies of Sri Lanka. Through world-class wastewater treatment design experts, Eco Engineers and Co has become the foremost wastewater treatment solution company in the South Asia.